He told Johnny. Johnny knows. Johnny knows, man. Oh my god, man.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, shank him. Bitch.
What's coming to you now? Stop your smoking.
Shut up, bitch. Picking on little girls? That's nasty. You shouldn't do that. Wait, let me change my outfit. I'm gonna look beautiful for this event. Yep. When I say beautiful, I mean I want to camouflage. Hell yeah. I'ma get me a shank. Yep. I need protection. I don't make noise. I'm trying to wake Grandpa up. I don't wake that snitch. Is he coming? Okay. That's my controller acting all crazy. He's coming this way now. Isn't he? No, he's not. Where's he going? He was trying to get a lockpick. I spawned out the most annoying place ever. I'm gonna go grab this. Why do I feel like he's following me around? I'm gonna. It's crazy right now. He's crazy. Shut up, Connie. You gonna come or not? What's happening? Says the news. Everybody's frozen. Bro, what the fuck's happening? Bro, fuck it. I'm out of here. Out of here. I can go grab another. I'm fast. I am speed. So we good. I'm the best luck picker. I do this for a living. Oh yeah. Got it. I can grab another. We have all day, don't worry. Don't worry. We've got all day. Oh, I woke Grandpa up. Look at me. I woke him up. 'Cause I'm a bitch. Alright, shut up, Grandpa. Time to go. Time to go. So my playstyle right now is... Okay. Close it. I don't want to raise any suspicion. Yep. I'm not trying to raise suspicions. I just close the doors behind me. Hopefully he didn't put a trap up here. Because the hitchhiker can be like really annoying sometimes. Imagine I find the valve, man. That would be insane. That would be insane. That would be like a really, really clutch. Yeah, the cooks out here too. What the fuck, man? Alright, shank him. Bitch. Stupid asshole, man. Picking on little girls? That's nasty. You shouldn't do that. Oh my, I fucked up. The fuse box is not here. I'm just taking a tour, okay? Hopefully they don't come for me. I need protection. Okay, let's see if we can open this up as fast as I can. I feel like the crew's gonna come back here, but I don't know. I gotta open it up first. I feel like maybe he's busy lying down on the floor after I bumped him down. Alright, let's go. See? The chicken. Oh, the cook's out here too. I'm exposed. He's gonna report me to his teammates.
What's coming to you now? Stop your smoking.
Shut up, bitch. Should stop doing that. I'm gonna grab another. They're probably gonna come here for me. Like they're gonna come here. I can feel. It's probably gonna lock it up. You know what I need right now? Health. Gotta hide somewhere safe. I don't know where the cook is. Where could he be? Where is he? Oh, Johnny's here. Oh my god, this is scary, man. They are haunting my ass out right now. The cook reported me to Johnny. This little bitch. He called his big brother. Oh, his little brother. To come fight his battles. Look at him. Patrolling the whole area. That is nuts. You all can spend your day right here and my teammates are busy doing the job. Yo, they are both with me in car batteries right now. You guys can do the other. They are all at car batteries right now. You all can do the other objectives. Julie shouldn't be here. Julie! Julie, no! Okay, she went down the well. Now they would think Julie was the was the main one, so they would all leave. Leave, Leatherface, you bitch. Go away, bitch. Why is he swinging? Man, he has to leave, man. If I bleed out. I don't know what he's doing right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, time to go. Big moves. We gotta open this shit up ASAP, man, before they come back. Gotta be really fast about this. Take yourselves. Heal up. And then go back here. The cook came back for me. Hope he didn't see me though. So I'm gonna report me. Oh, he told Johnny. He told Johnny. He told Johnny. Johnny knows. Johnny knows, man. Oh my god, man. I know you saw me, you bitch. I know you saw me. Let him go. I can't die like this, bro. Go down, girl. Bro. I was about to escape. I was literally about to escape. If I had my shanks, I could have stabbed him or something. Don't die. Oh my god, imagine they come down here and pick me up. My team's all dying. I need health right now. I need health. There should be one out here. Yep. This match ain't going so well for us. I don't know where my last teammate is. This bitch. He's just level 1. Can you imagine? They ain't taking good care of Grandpa right now. Bitch. Stupid ass. Picking on little girls. Gonna come up this way on me. This is a really bad idea. This is a really bad idea for me. Oh, I missed. Gotta go all the way around. It's gonna let them know I came back up. Gotta play stealthy with this. We just move in the bush like. Connie's out here too. Connie, you gotta go somewhere else. You gotta run somewhere else right now. So I turn off the car batteries. Oh my god, man. They are camping the car batteries right now. You know what? I'm gonna do the valve right now. I'm gonna do the valve. Since they are out here, we gotta make it out of this. Is he camping the well? Okay, left. Did he? I hope he did though. Fuck. Bro, can you imagine? I'm stuck. I can't move. I can't move. Now he got me. For reals. Can't move. See? Bro. Bro. There is no way, like, that was fucked.